Hello everyone, this is Advocate Radhika Sharma, legal advisor at Lexis and Company. So today we wanna discuss the Article 22 of our Indian Constitution. तो we will divide जो Article 22 है divide in two videos. तो this will gonna be a part of one of Article 22 and the next video में जो rest होगा हमारा article वो हम discuss करेंगे. सो आर्टिकल 22 है जो हमारे इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का क्या है और ये इसका क्या डिस्क्रिप्शन है और इसमें क्या हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में मेंशन किया गया है आर्टिकल 20 में. बेसिकली एवरीवन नोज दैट ये हमारा फंडामेंटल राइट है. तो बेसिकली आर्टिकल 22 इज़ प्रोटेक्शन है के अंडर प्रोटेक्शन है अगेंस्ट अरेस्ट एंड डिटेंशन इन सर्टन केसेस. यानी अगर कुछ केसेस के रिगार्डिंग अगर वो डिटेंशन एंड प्रोटेक्शन है अगर आप अरेस्ट हो जाते हो तो आर्टिकल 22 का जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट स्टेट दैट नो पर्सन हु इज़ अरेस्टेड शैल बी डिटेन in custody without being informed as soon as may be and of the ground for such arrest, nor shall he be denied the right to consult and to be defended by a legal practitioner of his choice. As in कि कोई भी पर्सन जो कि अरेस्टेड है वो शैल बी डिटेन इन कस्टडी विदाउट यानी उसको बिना इन्फॉर्म किए आप उसको डिटेन नहीं कर सकते कस्टडी में. एंड as soon as may be of the ground for such arrest not shall be denied the right to consult and to be defended by a legal practitioner of his choice. And the second point of this article state that every person who is arrested and detained in custody every person who is arrested and detained in custody shall be produced होंगे before the nearest magistrate within a period of 24 hours of such arrest, excluding the time necessary for the journey from the place of arrest to the court of the magistrate, and no such person shall be detained in custody beyond the said period without the authority of a magistrate. So the rest point we'll discuss in our next video. So that's all for today. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching us.